Good evening. This is your messenger from the universe. We have democracy in this country. It means to obey the law. It doesn't excuse anyone from not obeying the law and the Constitution. If the president is not obeying the judges, Congress, what is this country made of then? He's supposed to set example, not tear it down. No man is above the law. That means the president, his cabinet, and Attorney General, U.S. Attorney General Bondi, which she is not doing her job. She's a liar. She's a president private puppet, which she prosecute the wrong people instead of the people within their circle. She has to go. She is not doing her job. Mentally, she is not stable for the job that she's supposed to do. She's very corrupted. Can't be trusted. She don't tell the truth at all. By the way, President Trump, you will obey the law. CIA cannot protect you. I don't care what army you have, cannot protect you. If you don't have love, honesty, and kindness, and try to bring unity with the American people, you're disrespecting the messenger, the universe, God, from the mission that I am on. Like I said before, respect what I am trying to build. It will be out. I will be out more in the open. Do you think I am playing with you? Excuse my language. Fucking with the wrong person. I will show you I am not, excuse me again, fucking playing. To get respect, show respect. We all are sensitive people. Nothing wrong with showing love, honesty, kindness, gratitude to your brothers and sisters. Instead of trying to tear down what we're attempting to accomplish on this planet. There will be repercussion for all the nation that doesn't live by these rules. In the coming weeks, my brothers and sisters, do not let him put fear in you. Karma is a bitch. God bless you. Unity with me, the universe. Amen. I love you. Continue to show love for your family, your brothers and sisters. Amen.